For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
One of the easiest ways to color block this season is to take a color that brightens your face instantly. Whether it's a tomato red or an electrifying blue or a pleasant camel brown. Here, I'm wearing a bottle green pantsuit with a simple white top to go with it. You see the play of colors in this powerful look? You could also add a bold lip to perk it up, and then it'll just help you tie the whole look together. Another great way to color block is to try a casual look like this. Here, I'm wearing a mustard yellow skirt with a blue and white striped shirt. If you're a beginner, I suggest trying the color blocking trend like this. Let me show you another cool look. Perky colored and patterned shoes make for one of the easiest ways to amp up a simple outfit. Here I'm wearing a basic black tank top and jeans, which I've paired with the sexiest pair of animal print heels. To add more color, I've added a mustard trench. With all this going on, it is best to keep the makeup minimal. Are you still afraid of color? I didn't think so. Create your looks this week and tag us. I'll see you guys later. Until then, keep slaying.